Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on one of my dream snakes. And this snake is from Slither. Let's see. Slither. So this is a female normal Borneo, 75% Borneo, 25% Ambon reticulated python. And it is packed with love. You can smell that the snake went to the bathroom. The reticulated python. Okay. So this is my new reticulated python. It's from a local, it's a local retic, 75% Borneo, 25% Ambon. So I will begin this girl right into her cage so she doesn't stress out too much. The colors on this girl are unbelievable. Before my accident, I also had a retic. But it was a het orange ghost, normal from Bob Clark. But it does not compare to this F1 retic. She did go to the bathroom in the bag, so I'm gonna have to clean her up. But you can see the colors on this girl are really different. Wow. Begin this girl adjusted in her cage.